Welcome to Star Trail in Prosper, Texas. Today we're going to start this home tour in the owner's suite. But not to worry, we'll see the outside and the rest of the inside home tour in just a second. The owner's suite in this floor plan is conveniently located downstairs right off the living room. It's just far enough away that it still feels private, but close enough to be convenient. You've got this ensuite bath with these dual vanities, and I really enjoy the light coming in from this double window. I would love to know what you think and if you would enjoy that in the mornings. Back into the owner's suite, we have this wall of windows that brings in all that light. We have vaulted ceilings with a ceiling fan, recessed lighting. Overall, wouldn't you just love to wake up in this room every morning? Now, as we exit the owner's suite, we head into the main living area. By the way, my name is John Paul Mays, and I'm a local realtor here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but I might not be the realtor for you. More on that later. This is the 1138 floor plan. It's got 3,291 square feet. It's a two-story home with 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a powder room, a study, 2 dining areas, a game room, and it starts at just $814,990. Now, turning our attention into this gorgeous kitchen, look at the waterfall treatment they have done on this kitchen island with the stone and the tile work on the backsplash that goes all the way to the ceiling. I'd be curious to know, if you were building this floor plan, if you would choose these items. And this is your view from the kitchen. You can see the dining room, the living room, all the way to the outside. You're entertaining with friends and family, and you're part of the whole event. Or if you want to have something more private, look, you have a butler's pantry here with a serving area. So for those more intimate dinners, you can kind of separate the kitchen from the entertainment. Conveniently located just down the way is a full-size utility room with a built-in mud bench. And something else that all of my buyers have been asking for lately is another downstairs suite. So this has 2 downstairs suites. So this is a little bit smaller, so it's perfect for friends, family, overnight guests, mother-in-laws. It's got a full-size bathroom attached to it with a shower, so your guests can really feel comfortable and not having to walk out into public spaces after they've retired for the evening. Now, as we head back into the main living area, we're going to take this beautiful curved staircase upstairs and see what's going on up there. One of the things that I like about this home is you have these cutouts with railings that kind of open the upstairs up and make it feel not so closed in. So here at the top of the stairs, we have a beautiful view of downstairs. Look at all those windows, and that fireplace has the marble tile all the way to the ceiling just to give you that grand presentation. Here we have a game room and an optional media room, which I think is pretty cool. They have it staged here with 3 chase lounges, but I'm sure that you could fit a little bit more furniture in there than just for 3 people, but kind of gives you the idea of how you could use this space. Nice little movie theater, relax and enjoy the evening, or chill out with friends, watch a football game. And then back into this big open space again. We're gonna take the hallway down to where the other 2 bedrooms are. And this is where on the floor plan, you have the option to add another bedroom if you would like. So this is the first of the 2 bedrooms that are upstairs. They've got this staged for a girl, which I know my daughter would love to have this bedroom. And one of the things that I like about it is that it's got its own bathroom. So no sharing with the sibling, which would be awesome in my house. I can't tell you how many disagreements the kids have over who messed up the bathroom. We have this nice walk-in closet to organize all the stuff, and I wonder what's inside that little door. I didn't open it, but I'm wondering what's in there. Then you have this little, the hallway with the cutout, just kind of opens it up, makes the hallway feel bigger. And then on into that second bedroom, staged for a boy. Obviously loves sports, probably just like my son. It's A little bit smaller than the other bedroom, but definitely still a good size, and it still has a walk-in closet, which is a plus. The bathroom for this bedroom is just right outside the hall, and you have a nice full bath here. And like I said, once again, you do have the option here if you wanted to add another bedroom. This would turn into a Jack and Jill, or you could even add another bedroom. So you have plenty of options in this floor plan. And then here we have a nice peek over into the entryway with those dramatic chandeliers, just a nice open space. And we head back down through the game room. You know, one of the interesting things they did here with the flooring is you've got this really light colored flooring, but they've stained the staircase black. I wonder what your thoughts are on that. Would you do that if this was your home, or would you have the staircase the same color as the rest of the floor? Another thing I love about this floor plan is these optional multi-sliding doors where you can slide them open and create a seamless experience between the outside and the inside. Perfect for those fall evenings, spring days. In Texas, those winter days, pretty much all the time where the weather is just beautiful outside, you have a nice breeze. They've created an extra patio sitting area here with a fire pit. I can imagine what it would be like sitting out there roasting marshmallows with friends and family, creating wonderful memories together. As we head back through the great room, a couple of more features I wanted to talk about. We have this little wine center over here to the left. It's got a built-in refrigerator and a cabinet, and this cool little curved area here inside the staircase. I'd be curious to know what you would do with that area. And as promised, we are going to see the rest of the house. We're about to go outside. I'll show you what's out there. By the way, my name is John Paul Mays. I'm a local real estate agent here in the DFW area, specializing in new construction. I mentioned at the beginning of the video that I may not be the agent for you, and of course we want to make sure it's a good fit and that you're looking for new construction in the DFW area. So if you're looking 1, 2, or 3 hours away from here, I might not be the right guy for you. But fortunately, I have a great referral network and I have someone I could direct you to. Thanks for coming along with me on this tour today.